folks, welcome to Opals NZ. If you're new here, my name's Tim, and on this channel we buy rough Australian opal from the opal mines, and we use these machines here to cut them into beautiful gemstones ready to be put into jewellery. So if that's what you're into, if that's interesting, stick around and check it out. Today we're going to be cutting a piece of Andamooka crystal. So this is today's rough opal. It comes from Andamooka, South Australia, and it is it's going to make a beautiful crystal, I reckon. It does have some potchy bars running through, as you can see there. So what I'll probably end up doing is slicing that off and taking a stone in there somewhere. And I've actually cut a piece from this parcel already, and it came out like that. So I'm hoping this one will turn out similar to this one, because this one's very nice. So yeah, we'll probably end up with two stones, because I'll slice this bit off and I'll actually be able to get a little stone off the top there, a long skinny one. So let's jump on the machine and have a go. Alright, so it's 9.6 carats, and see nice colour here. Can't see much around the side, so I'm just going to clean it off with a 600 wheel, and then I'll probably slice this piece here off through there. See some nice colour on the top here, very crystally. See the potch lines going through there. You can see it on the back there as well. Take a little bit off the edges. It's not looking as bright from this side as it is from there. That's probably even the brightest colour is just sitting there, so I don't want to lose that. Alright, so I'm just going to slice, just take a little stone off that corner there. Aim to go through that second potch line there. See, there's some bright colour just under that potch line, so I'll probably try and cut along there somewhere. nailed it. Excellent. Right, shape up this wedge bit here. It's actually not as cotton woolly as I thought it would be. It's definitely got nice colour there. Nice cleaning up. Coming out on the face there. Hard to hold on to. Doppy. Not bad. Alright, now this piece. Hoping it looks more like that colour, but it doesn't look so great from that side. So let's take this cotton wool off and see what happens. this one. Very unusual. Try and get that milkiness out of it. Best stone is sitting about like that. I'll orient it slightly this way. I'm going to take that back down on this angle here. Going to be a cushion cut by the looks of it. One little cushion crystal. It's not bad. Let's get it polished up. Okay folks, we're done, and here are our two stones. The bigger one is 1.23 carats and the long skinny one is 1.05, so they're pretty similar in weight. This one here is a pure crystal with blue-green and a little bit of flagstone and a little bit of chaff, and it's not bad at all. It's, I guess, sort of mid-grade material. I'm pretty happy with that though. I polished the back as well. Yeah, being a sort of, I guess it'd be a cheaper stone, maybe $100 or $2 per carat, somewhere around there, maybe $150. And yeah, not bad at all, eh? I quite like that. I put quite a bit of effort into doing a really nice cut. So this one is 1.5 carat. It's actually got some nice colour, and it's a white opal. It's got that cloud. This one came down a little bit in size because it had some cotton wool over this side, which I also had to really bring that in. Yeah, got rid of all that cotton wool, which I'm really happy about. And this one, you can see it's got some sort of orange nestled underneath that top colour bar there. And it's not bad at all. It'd make a cool, if it was a pair it'd be cool, but yeah, make a nice pair of earrings. So I'll have to find another bit that's similar to this and make it a little buddy. But yeah, that one's 1.5 carats, so I'd probably, I don't know, maybe make that $100 as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. Two little pieces of Andamooka crystal, courtesy of Angel. Been a bit slow on the videos lately. I've been flat out on my website project. So that's pretty much done. So I'll be back to making videos every week very soon. So yes, that will be good. So let me know which one of these you like the most. And thanks for watching. And we will see you next time.